Do you know what is the HCF4011B IC? The HCF4011B is a CMOS logic IC that contains 4 2-input NAND gates in one package. That's why it is called Quad NAND Gate IC. A NAND gate is a basic digital logic gate that gives a low output only when both inputs are high. In all other cases, the output is high. Since it is a CMOS IC, it uses very little power and work over a wide voltage range of up to 20 volt, which makes it useful in both battery powered and general electronic circuits. Do you know how it works? Each NAND gate in the IC has 2 input and 1 output. When you connect input A and B of the gate condition, if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, the output is 1. And if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, the output will be the same 1. If the A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, the output will be 1. And in the fourth, if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, that means the output will be 0. You can use this IC in timer, oscillator, logic control system, alarms and sensor circuit. It is greater for students and hobbyists because it is affordable, reliable and flexible. Plus it has a buffered input and output, better performance, and it is used in direct with the other CMOS or TTL logic chips.